G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and we're here at Melbourne Hydraulics to check out an exciting new product. Now Michael's out the back waiting for me, so let's go out and have a look. G'day Michael.
G'day Cole, how you going?
Good. Now Michael here at Melbourne Hydraulics, they're the first customer that's got their hands on the new ORSY Trolley Starter Pack. Now Michael, before we talk about this pack, just briefly tell us what you do here at Melbourne Hydraulics.
So here at Melbourne Hydraulics, we fit out hydraulics to heavy vehicles, including for industries such as agricultural, gas and fuel, and the like. So yeah, so big heavy trucks.
Always good fun, the big stuff. So we've got the starter pack here. Now Michael, why did you purchase it and what are you going to do with it?
Yeah, great question, Cole. So basically because sometimes we go out on site, we need a system that we can pack fittings, tools, and just have them ready to go. So if we need to promptly go out on site somewhere, we can grab the pack that we need, throw it on the trolley, put it in the back of the ute, and off we can go. Fantastic.
So let's now have a look at the system cases and the trolley. The first thing you'll see is, as Michael said, we can wheel it out to the job site, go anywhere, whatever we want to do. Now the beauty of these is it's held down by this strap, but all the cases actually clip together, so it's extra sturdy. So let's undo it and have a look. So just unclip them from each other, and I'll just slide that one off. Now I can unclip here and open it up, and you can see that's quite a large case. Now it has a seal in the lid here which will stop dirt and dust getting in as well. So if you go to a dusty site or a dirty site, or it's raining outside, things like that, it keeps everything dry and dust free inside. So that's one size case. I'll unlock the next size. Now these two are the same sizes, so I'll just take that one off. First thing you notice is this case is bigger and it's got double handles. So if I've got to carry it, I've got two sturdy handles to hang on to. But inside, it's exactly the same. It's just much bigger, and it still has the seal to stop the dirt and dust, and it's got some locks here for the top as well to keep it open. So the starter pack also comes with these inserts. Now there's three of these inserts. Now we've put one in this bottom case, so let's have a look at what that looks like. So I open the case, and it clips into the top of the case here, into the lid. And in there I can poke tools and screwdrivers and anything long that I need to secure as well. That's another fantastic option for you. Also available from Wurth, there is some inserts, foam inserts that go into these so you can secure your tools. There's ones you can cut out to make your tools actually fit into location, and there's some pre-cut ones for putting cans and things like that in. So now we've seen the cases and the accessories that come with those, let's have a look at the trolley itself. Now firstly, it's made of really sturdy construction, okay? Now there's a button here so I can adjust my handle height for how tall people are, or storing it in the vehicle, whatever, so you can drop that down. And Michael's going to show me how the rest of it packs up now. So Michael?
So first of all, we pop the handle down, we lift up the bar at the back here, that clicks in, and then you can wrap the strap over, right around and hook it on.
How easy is that? And look how flat it is to fit in your vehicle. That's terrific. So that's the ORSY Trolley Starter Pack. Now Michael, what do you think you're going to put in it?
Great question, Cole. So basically we're going to have a case suited to each situation. So we're going to have a case for hydraulic fittings, electrical tools. So depending on what we need at the time, we can just grab it, chuck it on the trolley and head straight out to what we need to do. So it's a great combination of working with our current ORSY system and with the trolley to what we need to do at the time.
So this is the ORSY Trolley Starter Pack. It's on special this month. It keeps everything safe and secure in one space, watertight and dust-proof. Now if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page, and the ORSY Trolley Starter Pack, it's ready for work.